Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst lush green fields, there lived a young girl named Lily. From the moment she opened her eyes to the world, her mother's hand was always there, guiding her through life's twists and turns. Lily's mother was a wise and kind-hearted woman. She had a gentle touch that offered comfort and strength to her daughter. Whenever Lily faced challenges or felt lost, her mother's hand would reach out, providing reassurance and leading her on the right path. As the years flew by, Lily grew older and more independent. She embarked on new adventures, discovering her passions and pursuing her dreams. Yet, in the whirlwind of her own aspirations, she began to overlook the hand that had supported her from the very beginning. One evening, as Lily sat on the porch watching the sunset, she noticed her mother's hands. They were withered and worn, a testament to the years of hard work and dedication she had poured into their family. It was in that moment that Lily realized how much she had taken her mother's guidance for granted. Filled with gratitude and a desire to show her appreciation, Lily devised a plan to express her love. She spent days secretly crafting a heartfelt gift for her mother, a handmade quilt. Each patch of fabric represented a memory, a milestone, or a cherished moment they had shared. On a beautiful sunny morning, Lily presented the quilt to her mother. Tears welled up in her mother's eyes as she traced the stitches, each telling a story of their journey together. It was a gift that captured the essence of their unbreakable bond and the depth of Lily's appreciation. From that day forward, Lily made a conscious effort to cherish the hand that had guided her. She spent quality time with her mother, taking long walks hand in hand, just as they used to when she was a child. They shared laughter, wisdom, and dreams, strengthening their connection with every step. As time passed, Lily understood that her mother's guidance had been more than just physical support. It was a beacon of love, resilience, and unwavering belief in her potential. Her mother's hand had taught her valuable life lessons and shaped her into the person she had become. Through the years, as Lily faced her own challenges and triumphs, she carried her mother's guidance within her heart. Even when her mother's hand was no longer physically there, Lily felt its presence in every decision she made, every obstacle she overcame, and every success she achieved. In the end, Lily realized that the hand that guided her would forever be a part of her, a symbol of a love that transcended time and space. And with that understanding, she vowed to pass on the lessons learned to the next generation, ensuring that the guiding hand would continue to touch the lives of those who needed it most. And so, the legacy of the hand that guided Lily lived on, a testament to the unbreakable bond between a mother and her child, and a reminder to appreciate and cherish the guiding hands in our own lives.